Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. This is Kishore Palavalsa. Please subscribe our channel. Till now anyone not subscribed, and also I need your support always, and also I need your encouragement also. Okay, with your support I can make the different types of new oriented classes. Okay, so till now, so today now we are going to discussing about sign notations on Kirchhoff laws. Okay, sign notations on Kirchhoff laws. Okay, sign notations also called as like a sign convention method, sign convention methods. Okay, sign convention methods. So coming to the sign notations of Kirchhoff law, we have to draw the one circuit. From that circuit we have to representation to the all those sign notations. That circuit may be basically contains to the both combination of passive network elements as well as active network elements. Okay, let us we have to draw the circuit here. Okay, so the circuit may contains active network elements as well as some passive network element. Okay, some passive network elements like this. Okay, so if you observe this diagram here, so this is like a batteries, two are the batteries as well as these are the passive network elements. Let us given as like a R1 and R2 and R3 like this. Okay, here so according to the symbol of battery, the current will be flowing like this. Okay, why? Because the positive plate this is the negative plate, that's why the current will be flowing like this. And also here also this is the positive plate, this is the negative plates, the current will be flowing like this to the entire elements to from this throughout the junction to flowing like this. Here also entire throughout the element to the current will be flowing like this. Okay, and finally which is flowing to the through junction, throughout this junction. Okay, so this is the basic conditions for the construction. Okay, so here, so according to from this diagram we have to represent this to the all those sign notations. Okay, here the basically there are mainly four sign notations for the calculation of both voltages as well as current in the so particular overall entire circuit. Okay, by the help of Kirchhoff laws we have to find the all those voltage and current equations. Okay, so first of all coming for the first sign notation is okay, here if battery current direction. Okay, if this is the battery, like let us consider like a V1 and V2. Okay, so this is the batteries, V1 and V2 is the two batteries. Okay, here if the battery current direction, if the battery current direction as well as here also, here the current will be flowing from this positive to negative, that's why from this instant to we have to draw the one loop also. From this instant we have to draw the one loop also. From this instant, okay, from this particular instant to we have to draw the loop equation like this. Okay, according to the current flowing through the battery, according to the current flowing through the battery. Okay, here also so this is the plus plate, this is the negative plate, so that's why the current will be flowing like this. So here the starting loop is like this, here the total loop which is starting like this to here. Okay, so according to the both loop directions as well as current direction we have to write the all those sign notations. We have to write the all those sign notations. From the sign notations we have to finally get to the both current and voltage expressions, both voltage and current expressions. Okay, so basically here we have to apply to the Kirchhoff current law. From this Kirchhoff current law we have to derive the finally all those current equations. Okay, and also here coming to the first sign notations. Okay, if battery current direction as well as loop direction, battery current direction as well as loop direction. Okay, here the loop will be flowing like this toward the entire circuit, the loop will be flowing like this. Okay, if the loop direction as well as battery current direction is same at passive element, okay, so then I is taken as a negative sign, okay, and also and second notation is if battery current direction as well as loop direction is opposite to the passive network element. Okay, if battery current direction as well as loop direction which is opposite to the resistance or else also called as passive network elements, then is taken as a positive sign, okay, which these are the each other opposite, one to each other opposite. Okay, very very important. Okay, and also coming for the third notation, if battery direction, battery direction as well as loop direction is same. Okay, here I am not mentioning the any type of current. Okay, only here we have to mention the battery symbol direction as well as loop direction. Okay, but in the previous instance we have to only indicate the battery current direction as well as loop direction at the passive elements, all those passive elements. But at the coming for the third instant, if here the battery direction as well as loop direction, only here we have to consideration for the battery only here we have to consideration for the battery only. Please remember that, very very important, that small comparison. Okay, so if the battery direction as well as loop direction is same, then take as a positive sign, okay, which is very very important. Positive sign, okay. If battery direction as well as loop direction is same, then take as a positive sign, okay. And also if battery direction as well as loop direction is opposite to each other, okay. If the battery, for example, direction is like this, but the loop direction will be flowing reverse to the battery, then is taken as a negative sign, okay. If battery direction as well as loop direction is opposite, then take as a negative sign, okay. So these are the basically 4 different types of sign notations for the calculation in the current to the overall entire loop of the circuits, okay, with the help of Kirchhoff laws, okay. So this is the today our class, subscribers, okay. If you have any doubt, please put on the comment box. I will give you reply each and every questions, okay. And also from the sign notations, all those sign notations, we have to calculate the furtherly all those Kirchhoff laws problem based on the Kirchhoff laws problems, okay. So and also please stay on the next further classes. We have to do the problems on Kirchhoff laws according to from these sign notations, okay. So before, if you want to do the all those Kirchhoff laws problems, you know what you have to learn the, okay, you have to learn the all those 4 conditions, then only you have to do the Kirchhoff laws problems, okay. For the next class we have to do the problems on Kirchhoff laws, okay. So thank you, thank you very much.